Today
Livy
is
Beans.
Sunday, April 22nd, and we are trying squash for the first time. Yay! Oh no! What's the face? Ooh! Oh no! Baby girl.
Sweetie pie. Try a little more? Okay, come on.
Want some squash, monkey? Hi! You look pretty.
No soda. No soda for you.
What do you think?
Squash? Come here, look it up your cheek. It's not bad.
Looks good. Yum. Try some more? Try some more, baby?
I don't think she... Maybe we should try the acorn squash.
Is she taking any of it? I don't think so.
She's got a little bit.
Just enough to make a face.
You can't turn all the way around in that chair, aren't you?
Come on, bub. Oh.
Doggy, you see Murphy.
He likes squash.
He likes anything.
Livy Beans.
Olivia.
Livy.
Olivia.
She's ignoring us so that she doesn't have to eat any more squash.
Okay, well, we'll keep trying.
Just one more bite.
One more try.
Mm.
He's trying to put that stuff in my mouth. I'm not gonna lie.
Come on, Bubba. One more bite.
See if we can do it for Mama.
Here.
Make sure you want to throw it with the spoon.
Here we go. We got some. She's licking the spoon.
Okay.
There you go. You got it. Yeah. What do you think? Is it yummy? Is that yummy? Hmm? Maybe. She's got a grip on this spoon though. You let me have it? Let me have it. Let me have it. Okay, let's try one more little bite. Livy. You want to try it? I did try it. I didn't like it. Stop asking me. No? Here we go. Oh, no, don't like it. Do you like it? It's good, huh? All right.